excited today to be driving this new car to the Miller Motor Cars Classics inventory, a 1973 and a half Porsche 911T. This car has 56,000 original miles and is completely original in every single way. The paint is original, the motor is original, the interior is original, the headliner is original, the trunk mat is original. Everything about this car is original, and there are some details on this car that just cannot be replicated without 50 years of time. This car is silver metallic over black, one of the most beautiful kind of traditional and iconic Porsche 911 colors of all time. It's coming from a private collection where it's been serviced and maintained by the Miller Motor Cars technicians here for the past 26 years. Steering is so light. The throttle response is fantastic. This is such a great car to go for a long drive. It's comfortable and it's reliable, but yet it's still sporty. The 2.4 liter with the CIS fuel injection system really loves to rev. You know, it really wants to drive at that 4,000 or 5,000 RPM. The 915 5-speed transmission is super smooth. You really want to go through the gears. You can, take the back country roads in Greenwich that we're on right now and really enjoy it and shift up and down. But you can also take it on the highway and drive to California and still be comfortable if you really wanted to. The 73 and a half model year is the final iteration for the iconic Porsche long hood. It is the purest 911 that was ever made and the most iconic aesthetic design that has been around and cherished and loved for over 50 years. Please feel free to give us a call here. I don't think this car is going to be here for too long.